What is service to rely on? Is it being there where and when needed? Fixing what's broken? Replacing what's required? Of course it is. But it's also much more. It's a mindset. To work and grow together with our customers and deliver them the right expertise at the right place, at the right time, every time. It's a dedication to understanding their needs first, helping them to increase productivity or reduce energy, water, waste, and costs. It's people like Kai, always making sure the right parts are on hand, where and when needed, anywhere in the world. It's Louise, ready to act quickly by understanding customers' equipment needs to unlock their potential. It's Angelo, always being there in person or remotely to restore production. It's Sarah, helping to innovate new product tastes using the right ingredients and the right technologies. And George, creating trainings for the virtual world to help improve customer skills in the real one. It's each and every person in each and every step. It's a promise to care and make a difference, to always meet customers' needs today and go the distance to help them secure a profitable and sustainable business for tomorrow. That's service to rely on, today and tomorrow.